Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Base box and my Boxycharm Premium box. Both of these were sent to me in PR from Boxycharm, so thank you guys so much. I literally have no idea what we're getting in here, so you guys want to see what I got, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. This is just so crazy to me, guys, but legit, I'm getting Boxypremium again. Like, I think this is like my third time getting it like in a row. I typically don't get Boxypremium, but lately it's been showing up in my PR box, and I'm like, thank you so much. Because if you guys don't know, I still pay for Boxycharm all on my own every single month. I just think it's so much fun to kind of compare the two boxes. And typically my paid for boxes, I battle against my paid for Ipsy boxes. And as of lately, for some reason, my premium boxes have been coming so late. So if you guys did not see, I think it was like a week and a half ago, I posted on my community page a picture of my premium box, like that I paid for. Because it arrived so late, I didn't have time to film it. And it was like the last week of April. And I was like, I don't have time. So hopefully I don't have that issue anymore, but it is what it is. I just want to let you guys know that I'm right here with you, because I have seen so many of you guys in my comment section saying that you guys are not getting your boxes, or things are arriving so late, or by the time that you get your box, you've already paid for the other box that's coming the next month, and you guys are really frustrated. So I just want to let you know I'm right here with you. My paid for boxes arrive just as late as yours does, so please know, like, I definitely understand your struggle. But here we are unboxing the May 2021 box, and it has this little sticker right here, which I found out is like a flammable, or because I remember my UPS doesn't ship boxes that has this on it, so I know that's like a chemical or something in here, so I have no idea what we're getting in this box. Do note the base box does retail for $25. You guys get 5 full-size items in here with a retail value of $125 plus, and then you guys can add on additional $35 premium box right here. We get 6 to 8 full-size products with a retail value of $175 plus. However, you can just purchase this by itself, but you initially have to sign up for the base box. You can cancel the base box once you get approved and just have the premium, or you can combine the two together and pay $60 a month like I do. So with that said, guys, I'm not going to ramble on too much. We're just going to go ahead and dive straight in here. We're going to the base box first, and then we'll see what we're getting in the premium box. I'm so excited. I just like a little shimmy. Okay, so this month's box is called Boxycharm Flourish. Oh, that's like such a cute little picture. I love that so much. And the first item I see in here is from Murad. This is the Environmental Shield Clean City Overnight Detoxed Moisturizer. So it says, detox and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. Oh my God, does it really? This breakthrough formula was supercharged antioxidants from Maribium plant cells, neutralize pollutants, and straighten skin's barrier while you sleep. So it's you're supposed to massage it only at night, all over your face, neck, and chest. And this retails right here for $74. Holy crap, that's expensive. Wow, okay, let me go ahead and check this out. I never think to like rub a moisturizer all over my neck and my chest. Like, I just never think to do that. You guys told me a while back that there was a neck cream that I got in a box, actually Boxycharm box, and I was calling it wrong, and it's a neck cream, and I was saying it's a face cream. You guys are like, no, it's for your neck. And I'm like, wait, they make creams for your neck? I literally had no idea. So this is how this looks right here. It's actually really nice looking. And do you just pump it? That is so cool. What? This doesn't smell like anything. Let's just put it right here. It just kind of has like an oddly weird chemical orangey smell. Very light. Oh, you know what it smells like? Oh shit, guys. It smells like like Windex mixed with an orange. Kind of weird, but that's actually a really cool component. I'm definitely gonna have to give this a go and try it on my chest. Like I'm rubbing on Vicks Vapor Rub, you know, like, ooh, get up in there. I wonder if it can go on your titties. I mean, I guess you can moisturize them. Okay, so next we have Mellow Liquid Lip Gloss. Ooh, liquid lip gloss. This is Get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy non-stick formula has a uniquely smooth feel. It could be worn alone or over any lipstick with the added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil. The Saint Tropez shade is a perfect mauve. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. Retails for $18. Ooh, I do love a perfect mauve lip. It's kind of like what I'm wearing right now, Fenty Beauty. This is actually Jaclyn Hill's... This is the shade Be Brave with Fenty Gloss right on top. And with Jaclyn's liner, Butter Pecan. That's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I know I might get questioned, like, what am I wearing on my eyes? I'm actually wearing the Blend Bunny palette. You guys can use code Allie to save you guys 10% off. It's completely sold out, but she keeps restocking it, so keep your eye out for it. But here we have the Mellow Lip Gloss right here. It's a very beautiful color. Oh, yeah. This is beautiful. Ooh, that's pretty... I just some of them. That's pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna definitely have to play with this. I'm gonna set you aside right over here so I do not forget you. That's awesome. Okay, so next we have these brushes from Lavish. This plastic feels so freaking cheap. So this is the Essentials Eye Collection. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted, vegan-friendly brushes to recreate the most subtle or dramatic looks. Retails for $30. While this may feel really, really cheap, as long as the brushes work, that's all I care about. So let's feel. Ooh, they are really, really soft. Really nice. You can never go wrong with having more brushes, especially for someone like me who literally has a lot of brushes. It can be a pain in the butt to consistently clean your brushes. So a lot of times I just kind of like set them aside and go, oh, new brushes. Let me just play with these because they take forever to clean. It's like a day's activity. Okay, so next we have this product. Ooh, it's from Drybar. This is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. So it says that this is a lightweight spray, protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons. Up to 450 degrees, retails for $27. Ooh, Hot Toddy. Bitch, that smells like freaking coconuts. Coconuts. That smells really freaking good. Wow. If you guys hear any background noises, that is my husband. He is actually live streaming on Twitch right now. Make sure you guys go follow him at TheoryCZ. Go follow him. He streams 3 times a week, and right now he's streaming with Jarvis. So they're having a good time. And holy crap, that smells freaking amazing. I'm gonna definitely have to use this because I use Redken All-in-One spray, even though my hair is a little greasy right now. So I definitely want to use that before I straighten my hair. All right, last but not least, we got a Cab Cosmetics. Cab, or if I'm saying that wrong, I do apologize. KAB Cosmetics. This is the Day and Night eyeshadow palette. This palette has a new formula with new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night in an all-in-one product. Oh, I love that. It retails for $52. I love when brands do sustainable packaging. That makes me so happy. Okay. Oh... This is the palette right here. So this is definitely a neutral palette. It says it could be used from day to night, but you can clearly see that it's definitely a neutral palette. And yes, I have been into neutrals lately, but I still am that color bitch. I love having color. So I just know me. I know I wouldn't really get a use out of this palette. And I know some of you guys might say, oh, you should try it. It's a great palette. I'm sure it is. And I'll definitely want to try more things out of the brand because I really do like the lip products I've tried from the brand. But as for like the color scheme, it's just not my cup of tea. So I'll go ahead and add that to a no waste Wednesday just because I generally know I won't really get a use out of it. I'll try it once and then probably won't pick it up again. So that's really cool. So let me go ahead and add up the value of the box. All right, so the box retailed for $208. Gross. That's the freaking Murad stuff on there. I'm so sorry. So the box retailed for $201. I think I said $208 because I'm a freaking idiot. But $201, and I have got to say, this is actually, again, a wonderful box. Got 2 makeup products, 1 skincare product, 1 makeup tool, and 1 hair product. And again, I like the balance. I've always told you guys I really do like having equal balances. I mostly prefer a 3-to-2 ratio, but if I have to pick it, this would be the best ratio where you get 2 of each product. So that's actually really nice. This is a great box. That is so cool. All right, awesome. Alrighty, moving on, we do have Boxypremium. All right, so here we have Boxy Flourish again. And one of the first things I see is from LaRousse right here. So this is, On the go set. Get ready to cover all the basics with this set. The 3-piece set comes with a dense dome brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angle brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. Retails for $96. What in God's name? For 3 brushes? You have got to be out of your mind. I would never pay $96 for these 3 brushes. I'm sure they are a miracle. I'm sure they're fantastic, but $96. And it says Boxy exclusive. What the no way. You can pretty much buy almost an entire bling brush set for like 20 bucks more to get 13 pieces compared to 3 pieces. No way. That is a joke. $96 for 3 brushes. I'm sure they're luxurious brushes, but hot damn, that's expensive. So next we do this product from Too Faced. It is, oh, I hate their melted stuff. Like their melted liquid lips are horrible, but this is an eyeshadow. Okay, so it says this innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula delivers rich, intense, chocolate-scented matte color and skin-centric cocoa tones that can be worn alone for an airbrush finish or as a pigmented primer that locks down for 24 hours of a crease-proof, waterproof wear. Retails for $21. So here we have the component right here, and you guys can see how dark it is. Now, I did see, like, I think on Michaela's TikTok where she used something very similar to this. And I'm not gonna lie, it seems like it blended out really easily, but she did say it dried down really, really quick. I don't really know what I would do with it. I think I would do something like this, but I don't really wear that many neutral shades. I tend to wear a lot of colors. And yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and just add this to a No Waste Wednesday. I don't want to like swatch it and ruin it for somebody. So I think I'll just go ahead and add that to a No Waste Wednesday. But hopefully somebody out there can make a good use out of it. My biggest advice too is when you lay it down, you have to blend it out quickly because she did say it dries down rather fast. So that's something to take note. Okay, so next we have, oh my God, we have Rodale Dragon's Blood Eye Mask. Hydrates and tones. Depuffing bio cellulose eye mask. These innovative gel eye masks combine BioLoose technology with Dragon's Blood complex to intensely hydrate the delicate eye area with immediate depuffing effect. This retails for $18. Okay, guys, the reason why I'm laughing is because I have said this in so many unboxings that I swear to God, ever since I turned 30, all I ever really get skincare wise in most boxes is something that has to do with my eyes. It's always like an eye cream, an eye wrinkle, eye collagen. It's just something that always has to do with freaking eyes. Like, bitch, I get it. You are making a girl really consider getting Botox. Okay? So I just think it's so funny because I could never just go a month without getting some sort of eye product. And Dragon's Blood, I'm going to ask a really stupid question, but what is Dragon's Blood? Like, honestly, I don't know what that is. I've never heard of that. I mean, when I think of Dragon's Blood, I think of Game of Thrones because I'm rewatching it right now, about to start season 7. No shame. And I've already seen it. Like, this is my 3rd time rewatching it. But this is just, that's funny. Okay, so next we have a product, Serum Kind. This is Black Blossom Hand Serum. What? Due to its elegant and mysterious color, the black tulip from the Netherlands is a symbol of absolute beauty, royalty, and nobility. So, like, when I wear this, be the princess that I always thought I was? Like, what? The black tulip is enriched with astragalin, a bioactive natural flavonoid that protects your external stimuli and soothes out the delicate skin of your hands. As a result of this multiple extraction stages, the black tulip provides long-lasting moisturizing effects as well as fortifying effects for healthier, softer, and youthful-looking hands. Your hands deserve the best treatment. This is... I shouldn't be laughing at this. So, it says on this, this says right here, a hand serum perfect for intense care of the skin barrier infused with the healing effects of the Black Blossom Serum retails for $27. I just never heard of a hand serum before. And sometimes when they do descriptions, the descriptions really do tend to make me laugh. I I don't know why. But oh, this looks... Oh man, I say this as lovingly as possible. I do know who needs this. It's gonna be my best friend. She has really, really dry hands. Oh wow. Oh my god. That smells really nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not gonna lie though, this really does smell really, really nicely. So I will definitely give this to her. I know she won't care that I used it because, you know, she's my best friend, but it smells really nice. Okay. All right, so next we have a product from Bite Beauty. This is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. A clean, high-performance matte lipstick for creamy, bold colors that keep up with you in the shade Midnight Ray. Oh, she's okay. Alrighty. Or no, it's brown. Well, you know, it's a color I honestly wouldn't use. So I'm going to add this to my No Waste Wednesday. My God, my hands really do smell good. It's wow. All right, last but not least, we do have a product. This is from Haas Laboratories. This is the Glam Room Palette #1 Fame. Unlock your fame in this new palette with 10 matte, metallic, and shimmers and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. This universal eyeshadow palette gives you the power to play up with every persona. Retails for $34. You know, when you see this, does this look like Lady Gaga to you? Like, it just doesn't... I don't really care for Lady Gaga's brand, honestly, just because when you look at her, she's so out there, so eccentric, and then you look at her brand, it's rather boring, if I'm being honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to a No Waste Wednesday as well, just because I know I won't use it. And I don't know, I just really wanted her to be really out there with her brand, and so far she's been pretty disappointing, if I'm being honest. All right, so the box total is $222. So what are my thoughts on this? While it's definitely not an exciting box for me, I'm pretty much giving away everything in here. I'm not really keeping much. I do like the fact that there's 3 makeup items, 1 hand cream, 1 brush set, and 1 skincare set. So they do have a great balance from makeup to skincare, but I just find this one to be rather boring. And value is only about $21, more expensive than the base box. And I'm not gonna lie, I find the base box to be more exciting than the premium box this month. And I usually don't feel that way. Usually whenever people ask me like what's my favorite subscription box, I've always said Boxypremium, but Boxypremium just hasn't been there lately. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully next month will be a lot better. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, but I am still grateful either way to Boxycharm for gifting these to me. And just know that you guys are gonna see quite a few of these items in my No Waste Wednesday coming up. And if you guys are not familiar, I actually do have a current No Waste Wednesday going on my channel right now. It ends this Sunday, May 9th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm giving away 2 big boxes, plus I have a giveaway going on my IG right now. Links will be located down in the description. But yeah, I definitely think that the base box to me was personally better this time around than the premium box. But either way, they're definitely not horrible boxes. I'm really happy with the base box, and I do think the premium box is, it's okay. Not my favorite, but not the worst either. So thank you so much, Boxycharm, for gifting these to me in PR. I really, really appreciate it. And now I can't wait to see what I'm getting in my paid for boxes, because they tend to be a lot differently. And I can't wait to see what next month is, because it's a Boxy Luxe. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much just for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in the very next video. Bye! This is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. This innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula. I do know that the $25 box is... come out of there. 1 skincare product. So you got, again, this is a wonderful box. You got Cocoa. As for my eyes, I'm wearing the Blend Pun. As for my... this breakthrough formula would... okay, no, but my hands really do smell good. I'm not gonna lie. These black tulips smell really freaking good.